Hey, what's going on, Girdle Nation? If you guys have not seen them, the all-new egg rings are a lot of fun. I really like these things, so I'm gonna show you. You gotta. Let's give it easy.
Seriously, 14 takes later.
There was 2 takes.
All right, so 2.
What a jerk.
My math is bad.
Hey, what's going on, Girdle Nation? Chef Nathan Lippy. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use our all-new silicone egg rings. They're really fun. We've got the round ones and the square ones. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a breakfast sandwich. That's with M's, if you didn't know that, CJ.
Yeah,
it's a breakfast sandwich. Let's make a breakfast sandwich. Dang it.
My 6-year-old says that.
Bacon, egg, and cheese. Breakfast burger? Let's call it a breakfast burger.
Ooh, that's definitely going to avoid the sandwich thing.
Breakfast sandwich. Let's do that. Oh. One of those good? That was crazy good. Crazy easy. Check out your local Walmart.
I'll just be over here.
For the egg rings, check out local Walmart. And if you haven't seen it yet, breakfast blend is super, super fun. That's where I take your breakfast to all new levels. So if you guys want this recipe and a ton more, go to blackstoneproducts.com. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But we have our new egg rings, so that makes it fun, because CJ symmetry is fun. Geometry.
I don't like geometry.
A little gastronomy. Hey, let's make some breakfast. It's so bad.